Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this phone is do not charge. You can see it charges very slow. I have to put it very inside, and this phone inside have some dust. So now I will clean and show you how can you clean your phone. So first you need a safety pin, and you have to clean the inside of your phone. You can see dust inside. It's too much dust inside, so you have to remove that all dust from inside by this safety pin. Okay, too much. And see guys, inside too much dust. Okay, so I have to clean more. So guys, almost I have to clean all the side dust. So if you have the spray cleaner, you can use the spray. Okay, so you have to use spray or brush. So first you have to remove all the dust from inside. So this is the final step. I have to clean. See, so now I hope this okay. So now I will use the charger, and see, it's charging very fast and good. So this way you can clean your phone charging port if do not charge, or you can see it's getting also this side, you can see. So every week you have to clean your phone, otherwise you can see dust too much and will be lock your phone everything. See, this one also have dust. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day.